Dulwich Picture Gallery has a vision to transform our outdoor spaces through a once-in-a-lifetime project, open art.
Imagine a visit to the gallery where, as well as our world-renowned collection of historic paintings, you'll discover
a free-to-access sculpture garden featuring an earthwork by leading land artist Kim Wilkie, interactive sculptures dotted around our gardens, and an art forest of more than 130 trees. Imagine dedicated spaces for families and school groups, igniting young minds through playful art activities. Sustainability underpins this project, from a ground source heat pump to increased biodiversity. Open art is the biggest reimagining of our site in 25 years. This innovative project will cost £5 million, and we are very nearly there.
by donating today, you can be part of this once-in-a-lifetime project. Any gift, large or small, will make the world of difference in turning this vision into reality. At Dulwich Picture Gallery, bringing life to art and art to life.